Tracking dividends makes you 2 times more likely to reach your goals, and not only that, but you can achieve your goals up to 30% faster than someone who doesn't. Tracking dividends is a powerful tool I use to make sure I'm on track for financial freedom. If you want to quickly track dividends monthly, use this next table I'm about to show you. I use this to compare monthly dividends and see if I'm on track to make and hopefully exceed my total annual dividends. Go to your brokerage account, which is M1 Finance for me, and find your monthly statement. In M1, I go to Settings, Documents, and my previous brokerage statement. I look at taxable dividends and I add that to my monthly dividend Excel sheet. To create your own in a few quick steps, add date and dividends in bold at the top. Type in each month and go through your dividend statements. You'll notice my dividends vary a lot each month because companies pay dividends on a monthly and quarterly basis. They have different days of paying shareholders, and what is important to see is an increase overall in dividends after tracking for at least 1 year. With investing, reinvesting, and increasing dividend yields, we want to see more money in our pockets year over year. Now let's quickly create 2 visually stunning graphs so we can see if our dividends are increasing overall. If they're not, we may want to consider rebalancing or finding better dividend growth companies in which to reinvest. Click and hold your Excel table, then go to the bottom right Explore button. Now this is super fast. Click Explore and you will find a line graph and bar chart. Click and drag the line chart to your preferred destination. You can edit this chart by clicking the 3 lines at the top. Then click Edit Chart. If you want to add labels, click the 3 circles to the right of dividends. Click Add Labels, click Date, and click Dividends. You can now see my dividends on the line graph. You can customize this graph how you want. Next, go back to Explore and click and drag the bar graph. You can edit this chart the same way. To edit the numbers, go back to your table and fill in the correct data. The graph will automatically update and you can add the next month as well. I like to look at these graphs to quickly visualize my dividend growth. So now that you have seen how I track my monthly and yearly total dividends, you can use it in your own life and track your own dividends as well. You can use the link in the description below to get my Excel sheet so you don't have to fill this in from scratch. This is what I've been doing for years now, and it seems to work out pretty well. I worked out some of the hitches, so if you need any help with that, please let me know in the comments. And please leave a like and subscribe to this channel if you want more investing advice. As a dividend investor, it's very important to track on a monthly basis, and it can either be a very quick process or it can be a little bit more time consuming at first. But honestly, I love my monthly coffee financial check-ins. I just kind of zen out, have my calming yoga music going, and just update my dividend portfolio and my Excel spreadsheet. And it just honestly takes me between 15 to 20 minutes every single month. And I can basically see my dividends increasing drastically month over month and year over year, depending on when the companies are paying out the dividends. So it's very exciting to see, and it just gets me more motivated. And I just want to help you along with your financial health journey, because it is a journey. It's not a sprint. It's not a get rich quick scheme, but it will help you get to retirement earlier and get the financial freedom that you want faster. So this is Supergirl Investor here to save the world and make you wealthy. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. I want all parents in yachts by 2025. Let's make everybody future millionaires. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.